Hi everyone, for today's video, we will talk about percentage increase. So let's define percentage increase. It refers to how much quantity grows compared to its original value, expressed as a percent. So for our formula, we will use increase percent is equal to new value minus old value over old value times 100. So let's apply this in a problem. If a shirt originally cost 200 pesos, so originally cost 200 pesos, and the new price is 250, what is the percentage increase? So let us identify the old price and the new price. So what is the old price? We have 200 pesos. By the way, the old and the original are just the same. So new price is 250. So after identifying the given, we have to substitute this in the formula. So we have increase percent is equal to new value. Our new value here is 250 minus the old value, that is 200, over old value. Again, that is 200 times 100%. So let's solve for this. 250 minus 200 is 50 pesos over the old value, 200 times 100%. So what is 50 pesos divided by 200? So that is 0.25 times 100%. So again, let's recall 0.25 multiply by 100. Move your decimal 2 units to the right. 1, 2. So the answer here is 25%. Okay, so let's proceed to another one. A kilo of rice used to cost 40 pesos. Now it costs 50 pesos. So what's the percentage increase? So let's try it. Old value is 40 pesos and then the new value is 50 pesos. So apply the formula. So let's use I for increase, and then percent is equal to new value is 50 minus 40 for the old value over 40. Okay, so what is 50 minus 40? That is 10 over 40. So we may cancel zeros to simplify. And then, so this is 1/4. So what is 1/4 in terms of decimal? So this one is 0.25. So multiply it by 100%. So again, this is 25%. Alright? So let's try in number 3. Anna's monthly salary was 18,000 pesos. After a raise, she now earns 21,600 pesos. So what is the percentage increase in her salary? So let's identify the old is equal to 18,000. And then the new value is 21,600 pesos. So percentage increase is equal to, so our new is 21,600 minus 18,000 over, so this is 18,000, then times 100%. Okay, so what is 21,600 minus 18,000? That is 3,600. And then, divide by 18,000. What is 3,600 divided by 18,000 times 100%? So, this is equivalent to 0.2 times 100% is equal to 20%. Alright, So how about if we are looking for the new value given the increased percent? So let's use I, and then percent for the increased percent equals to new value minus old over old. So let's derive this one. Multiply. So this is increased percent times old value is equal to the remainings on the right side are new minus old. Okay? Need to move old value. So if we move that, so we have here percent increase times old value. So the negative old value will be positive old value is equal to new value. So now if you're looking for the new value, you will be using this formula. Percent increase plus old is equal to the new value. So let's apply this one in a problem. A student's tuition fee was 25,000 last year. If the school announces a 6% increase, what is the new tuition fee? So we're looking for the new tuition fee here. So again, what's our formula? We have the new value is equal to increased percent times old plus old. So we have new is equal to, what is the percent? So we have 6% times what's the value of the old? 25,000 plus 25,000. Okay, so what is 6% times 25,000? So we have 1,500. So how do we get this one? Of course, we change 6% into 0.06. And then we multiply 25,000 by 0.06. And that gives you 1,500. Okay? So now, we have here 1,500 plus 25,000. And the new value is 26,500 pesos. Don't forget to put the peso sign. Okay? Now, it's your chance to answer number 5. An item originally cost 500 pesos. The price increased by 12%. What is the new price? So don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe Math Teacher God. Thank you so much.